stop by and take a look at the 2014 Verano. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, remote keyless entry, fog lamps, front wheel drive, heat ducts, daytime running lamps. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, OnStar, cruise control, power outlet, floor mats, console. Buick Verano is a compact car built on the Delta II platform, designed and built from the ground up with the idea of it being a Buick. Come see the car for yourself.